These are some directions for how to put together your picture dictionary. If the vocabulary word is a noun like eagle, give the nominative form, the genitive form, and the gender. Remember to include all macrons. One noun per slide or picture. If the vocabulary word is a verb like to fly, use the verb in a simple sentence, which describes what's happening in the picture you've chosen. Also, give the infinitive somewhere on the slide. Remember to include all macrons. One verb per slide or picture. As you see here, I've written Aquila volat. The eagle flies. If the vocabulary word is an adverb like well, use the adverb in a simple sentence, which describes what's happening in the picture you've chosen. Also, give the forms of the adverb that we know somewhere on the slide. For now, we only know the positive degree. Later, we'll have the comparative and superlative degrees as well. So, for instance, well, bene, better, melius, best of all, optime. And the sentence I've written here, Aquila bene volat. So I've illustrated the adverb, the eagle flies well. Remember to include all macrons, one adverb per slide or picture. If the vocabulary word is an adjective like beautiful, use the adjective in a simple sentence, which describes the thing in the picture, which exemplifies the adjective. So I've written here, Aquila est formosum animal. The eagle is a beautiful animal. Also, give the forms of the adjective that we know somewhere on the slide. So I've written here, formosus aum, and we need to include the aum as well to let people know that this is a first, second declension adjective. If it were a third declension adjective, we'd write tenuis, tenue, and we'll talk about that more next chapter as we encounter third declension adjectives for the first time. Later also, when we know the other degrees of the adjective, we should include those as well. So for now, we just have the positive degree of the adjective, formosus aum. Later on, we'll know the comparative, formosior, formosius, and the superlative, formosissimus aum. Remember to include all macrons, one adjective per slide or picture. And for our picture dictionaries, it'll be sufficient to illustrate the nouns, the verbs, the adverbs, and the adjectives, so we don't need to worry about conjunctions like neck or words like autem, which aren't really suited for this sort of learning tool. Please email me if you have any questions.